Hi, it's Jason at Jordanbikes. They've got for you Aprilia Tuono 1100 Factory APRC. So this is the daddies, this one, and this is the one with the later full colour TFT dash, which we'll come to in a second. Loads of exotic parts on these. You've got Ohlins forks, Ohlins steering damper, massive big Brembo monoblocks, and you've got adjustable ABS, adjustable traction, launch control, pit limiter, wheelie control. This thing will make you look like a god. Going on back wheel, past pub, like an absolute hero. So Ohlins rear shock. Titanium Akrapovic pipe, which sounds incredible. We'll come to that. You can see the Ohlins shot there. It's got the tail tidy on it, and as per the advert, the sequential indicators, as you can see there. Cool little bits and pieces. You can see the dash. So full colour dashboard. As you pan over, we'll show you that once as we turn it on. So let the camera just pick it up. There you go. It's full colour dash. It'll say V4. And then I think you can just possibly make it out. But over on this right-hand side over here, you've got a lean angle. Maybe if we zoom in, it'll focus. It's not quite doing it, unfortunately. We'll show you the photo of it, and we'll get a photo of it so you can see. But you can see how much brake force you're putting on, throttle, lean angle. You can also have a little app that downloads to your phone, and then it acts as a bit of a data logger as well. Really, really are cool. But we'll give it a start. That's the best part. 1 second. That does sound absolutely mega. So come on down to Jordanbikes and take a listen for yourself, or give us a call. Yeah, like to see.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.